One socket. Maximum grip. Spyder Spline sockets lock onto more fasteners than ever before. 12-point, spline, 6-point, square, star, and even rounded. Engineered for pros who can't waste time. From the shop to the job site, these sockets bite hard and don't let go, delivering maximum torque, unmatched grip, and total versatility. Every Spyder Spline socket is finished with precision. Laser-etched size markings and bold killer codes mean no guessing. Grab the right tool every time. One after another. No slips. No excuses. Built to keep you moving, built to take the abuse. Spyder Spline sockets. Be the best.